Hey guys, welcome back to Fixify, the YouTube channel that we teach you all the how-tos. And in this video today, we are checking out the website known as Notion, the all-in-one team building website that teaches you how to build and manage your business. Notion is a free website that you can go and check out in the description box below. It is a really cool website that we'll be showcasing in this video and in many new videos to come, used to manage your team and manage your business. In today's video specifically, we're going to be going over how to use Notion and how to create your own digital workspace. Now, in this video today, we are only checking out how to actually use and get started with Notion. If you want to find out how to use Notion as a calendar, or even how to build a website using Notion, or anything else that has to come with that, then please stay tuned in the coming days for many new videos. We're working on 3 videos a week, so we hope you all enjoy. Now, I'm going to be going over an overview of how to manage your business, solve problems, create task lists, and so much more. Now, there's so much you can achieve with Notion for building your business, but however, we are only looking at 3 main topics. 1, how to add and edit content. 2, how to set up your digital workspace. And 3, how to collaborate with your teammates. To get started with Notion, you want to go over to notion.com. Once you're at this little loading screen right here, you want to click over here. It says try Notion for free. Now, this is going to be the free version of Notion. However, if you want to check out some of the pricing options in the paid version, you can come all the way up here where it says pricing. Click on that. And here we go. You have a free option, a plus option, a business, and an enterprise. The free version lets you collaborate with your workspace, integrate with Slack, GitHub, and more, basic page analytics, 7-page day history, and you can invite up to 10 guests. As for the plus option, which is the most popular, you're able to get unlimited blocks and teams, unlimited file uploads, a 30-day page history, and you're able to invite 100 guests, all for the price of $8 a month. Or you can use $15 a month for the business section, or you can get an estimated price for your enterprise. However, we are only sticking with the free option. Come back to the main page. Once again, you want to come over here and click try Notion for free. Click on that, and it'll bring you all the way up to the sign up page. You can sign up with Google or your Apple email or your work email right here. And once you sign up, it's going to bring you over here to your planning section. You can hit plan for my team, where you can collaborate on your docs, projects, and wikis for personal use to write better, think more clearly, and stay organized, or for school to keep your notes, research, and tasks all in one place. Now, for this specific video and what we're going to show you today, we're going to go over here and click for my team. Click on that and hit continue. And same thing right here. You're going to tell us about yourself. What kind of work do you do? What is your role? And what is your planning for? And then you can create a team workspace. For here, for the workspace name, we're going to choose Fixify-how-to. And it should take you to the general overall basic tutorial page. Now, obviously, you can go through everything right here, but we're going to jump straight into it. So hit get started. And once you fully sign in, it's going to take you to this section right here, obviously blowing out the names. And we're going to show you how to customize this entire workspace to fit you and your business. Now, coming over to the left side of the page, you have your team space and private and basically overall tab section, general, tasks, projects, wiki, doc, and meetings. If you really want to think about it, this is basically a web page version of Discord and a more professional version of Discord to manage your business. Now, coming next to each one of these sub tabs, if you come to it, you can click these 3 little dots. You're able to delete, add to your favorites, copy a link, and rename. To get started, we are going to delete everything and start from scratch. Okay, and there we go. Now it's only showing us this getting started screen. This is what you're going to see when you load up a brand new page. And you can see up here where it says this page is in the trash. Like we said at the very beginning with this free option, Notion saves your page history up to 7 days. So you can go back in the trash and restore what you already deleted. So to get started, you can come all the way over here where it says add a page. Click on that. And there we go. Now we have a brand new page. You could add a title or a header. I'm just going to put the company name. And there we go. Now you see right here where it says type / for commands. The cool thing about Notion is you can add different commands. If you hit /, there we go. Now we can have a text block, we can have a page, headers, tables, bulletin points, numbers, and so much more. Now, the best part about Notion is it's so easy to use. You can click whatever you want and immediately start typing. So obviously for right here, we're going to add a whole new little text box. So we can click right here and we're going to make a bit of a title right now. So you can click all the way down here where it says heading 1. And let's just type in our mission statement. Okay, and now the cool thing you could do with the actual text is if you click on it, or let's say if you highlight it, you could have the overall, your normal text options. You can comment on it so you can easily signify who's doing what statement. You could bold the text, italic the text, underline the text, strike the text, and so much more. The best part about this is you could also hyperlink to other websites. So if we type in, hey, check out our YouTube channel, and we highlight it and right click, we can come up here and hit the link button, and we could paste the link to our YouTube channel. And there we go. So every time we want to click on it, it easily takes us directly to the Fixify YouTube channel. Okay, now that we showed you how to use text, hyperlinks, commands, and so much more, we're going to go over some of the other tabs you could have. Over here, once again, click the new page button. And right here, we're going to make a YouTube channel to-do list. Fixify's to-do list. There we go. We can click anywhere to start. Type in the / command. And right now you can see the long list of options that you have. Let's start is we're going to click right here to-do list. There we go, right here. So for right now, let's just kind of type in a couple of video ideas. How to use Notion, Notion as a workspace calendar, Notion as a business website, and so much more. Now right here, once you're done with a specific task, like right here where it says how to use Notion, that's this video, we can click it and it immediately crosses it off and signifies that that task is done. Or you can go over, click on the actions button on the side, and we have different options. You could delete the task, you could duplicate it, you could turn it into, let's say, a page, a header, bulletin list, code, anything like that. We can make a comment on it, so we could say, hey, creator, please do this task. Now it's showing that I'm asking this creator to do the task. Now that I've showed you actually how to make different pages and make different to-do lists on Notion, let me show you how to actually build your team, add your team, and assign your team to different tasks. Come all the way over here to the left side of the page and click Settings and Members. And right here you have the invite link to be able to send to different creators to join them on your team. You can either hit copy the link, where it says copy to clipboard, or you can hit add members right here and you can type in the person's name or email. If I want to add a John Doe 123, all I have to do is type in the email and click invite. And there we go, easy like that. And just like that, that is how you get started on Notion, the all-in-one team building workspace used to manage your business. I really hope you guys all found this very informative and very easy to use. Let us know down in the comment section below what you thought of this video and other videos you want to possibly see in the future. And if you guys go to the description box down below, you can go and check out the website link for Notion, the all-in-one team building platform used to manage your business. You can check out the free version or you can check out the paid version. Again, you can get the free version, the $8 version, the $15 version, or you can get a quote for an estimate for the enterprise version. Speaking of links down below, if you guys have actually liked what you've seen, I would highly recommend you guys go check out the product links down in the description box below. When you click on one of those product links and even consider buying it, we do receive a small commission, which helps the channel so much. If you like this video, want to see more videos like it, please consider going down below and checking out those products. It goes a long way. And if you haven't already, I highly recommend you guys go all down below and hit the subscribe button to go check out many new videos on the YouTube channel, Fixify's How To. We're working on making 3 videos a week. If you enjoyed this video, go down, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care.